Hello! In this video, we will show you what to do if coffee does not flow out of your NESCAFE Dolce Gusto Oblo. When you hear the sound of the pump but no coffee comes out, move the lever to the stop position. Check the water tank. If there is no water, fill it. Try to gently lift the locking handle. If you cannot lift it, wait for about 20 minutes before trying again. If it still can't be lifted, visit the NESCAFE Dolce Gusto website to contact us. Try using the machine without a capsule. If you can lift the locking handle, remove the capsule holder and throw away the capsule. If water flows, it shows that the capsule was faulty. Just use a different one. Check the water injector. Each of our machines has a cleaning needle. For Oblo, you will find it in the slot behind the water tank. The tool looks like a sharp little pin. Switch off the machine and unplug it. Lift the locking handle. Remove the capsule holder and push down the locking handle again so you can access the water injector. Insert the cleaning needle into the water injector to unclog it. Lift the locking handle. Reinsert the capsule holder. Replace the needle in its slot. Plug in the machine and switch it on. If the water flows, the problem is fixed. If not, visit the NESCAFE Dolce Gusto website to contact us. We recommend descaling Oblo to make sure no limescale remains. Take a look at our video, How to Descale Your Oblo. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Oblo.